Hello, welcome to this new episode, which will exceptionally be in English because it is dedicated to the restoration of the dining room chairs at the Château de Lalacelle. The chateau is located in the Rhône region, on the border with Mayenne in the small village of Lalacelle. The owners of this castle, Thierry, Ash and Tracy, have been renovating it for more than 5 years now, and they have accomplished a truly titanic and completely crazy amount of work that I invite you to discover on their YouTube channel. Now, come with me into the workshop to discover the work involved in creating the leather pieces for these chairs. Thierry and Ash asked me to create new leather pieces in green tones featuring the Chateau's monogram. Creating the monogram from the photos sent by Thierry and Ash was a long process. I used the software Inkscape to trace every line and then the outline of the monogram. I took 3 attempts to reach the final version. I use a laser cutting and engraving machine to create an acrylic stamp. I carefully adjust all the settings to take the thickness of the material into account. Then I transfer the file from the computer to the machine, and as you can see, Celeste and Odin are always there to assist me. I do a small test first to be sure that everything is okay, that the position was good, and then the engraving can begin. The machine has now finished and I have a beautiful stamp ready to emboss the laser. And now I will test my acrylic stamp on a piece of leather. I use a hydraulic press capable of developing 20 tons of pressure to emboss the leather. I'll let you see the result. With the help of Zoe, who was doing an internship with me in the workshop, we created temples from the old leather pieces taken from one of the chairs. The leather is extremely old and very poor condition, and some parts are probably missing on the sides because of rusted nails. We therefore had to leave extra margin to avoid creating pieces that will be too small. It is now time to trace the pieces onto the magnificent green leather. This leather is bovine leather tanned using tree bark, and it was called vegetal tan leather. The leather comes from an Italian family tannery run by two brothers, Stelitano Tannery. I asked Gianfranco for a leather with a slightly textured appearance because I didn't want the chairs to look too new. I wanted them to feel like pieces of history, pieces with a story behind them. Terry and Ash immediately fell in love with this leather. They came to the shop to approve the leather. If you haven't seen that episode on their channel, I will put the link directly in the description of this video. A huge thank you to Gianfranco for finding this incredible leather for me. Once the pieces are traced, it is time to cut them out. The process then has to be repeated until we have enough pieces to restore 9 chairs. And now I need to press the monogram onto the green leather. I saw a similar chair at the Château de Compiègne, where the monogram has been painted in gold to make it stand out. I decided to try it myself because I know Terry loves putting gold absolutely everywhere. To position the monogram correctly on the leather backrest, I asked Zoe to pierce the template so we could make sure everything was perfectly centered. Now it is time to emboss the leather for the chair's backs. On Wednesday, May 6th, I went to Lalacelle Castle to assemble one of the chairs with Terry. Unfortunately, I could not film very much because a television crew from the show Chateau Do It Yourself was there to capture the moment. If you would like to see more of the chair assembly process, feel free to watch the episode on the Château of Lalacelle channel. The link is available in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please do not hesitate to like it, boost it and leave me a comment. I will be delighted to read your messages. Finally, do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss any of my future videos. See you soon. Bye bye.